Hey everybody, hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. As far as keeping up with me, well, I'm going to do like a cute mini vlog of keeping up with me this week into the next week. There's a lot to keep up with me. It's been a minute of me trying to be on my social media and grinding. So anyway, today I'm going to share with you guys some sizing today, comping, going forward. So further ado, while you're here on my social media, while you're at it, don't forget to follow me in my links in my bio and like, follow, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube and follow along my amazing journey because I cannot wait to start this one thing of my podcast, my life story about my branding and my Let's Talk About It. So stay tuned for a lot of amazing things and content to many things. I keep saying that. It's been a while. I do apologize, but because I myself have to work on myself and getting out there and getting my own clients, working my own business of everything. So let's get rolling for today and taking you guys what I can for this mini vlog to keep up with me. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today. Today would be a perfect day to go to the beach right now. Yes, I like to have a strawberry dragon fruit, please, small. Lemonade. I take the lemonade. No, the swings. My favorite things.
I didn't see you. You let your son walk by you. I was getting her in here. Zachary! Helping people swinging, you don't get hit. Hi, Bob. Hi. Watch out. Let's go.
Of cancer and a diagnosis. MSK is tuned in here. MSK is where you go for expert care and doctors who are all like how all that sounds. Visit
It's very. See details at T-Mobile.duration.
Join Emblem Health on 16th Street.
It was a joke. Insurance company embarked like I ain't think y'all was gonna do it. Really did it. Y'all called like a dog. 600.
Trying to get this beautiful peacock. Very colorful and joyful. Aww. They got a guinea hog over here. I could actually dance and do some TikToks in the rain right now if I could, but it's time for me to go to bed right now. I am so tired right now. I love it when it rains. Puts me in the mood. I would go in that store. Can't wait to own me some vinyls and music records. Black Jordan. Look, they got Pulp Fiction. But something they gotta find here a good figure movie, classic. Nirvana. Great cover. Not. That's a great cover, man. Hey, I found your sister right here. Can't wait to give me not a PlayStation, but I'm gonna give me a freaking Xbox. Ooh. Get ready to start podcasting with me real soon. I will be adding this to my wish list, but I definitely do one of those. And Ray-Bans. Can't you give me those Ray-Bans? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Look how tiny that little boy is. Can't wait to give me my own drone. It's gonna be so wicked. Alright. Finally got time. I always need backup of these. I have no more. I want to give me one of these. Can't make this come back to me. It's been a crazy day trying to get to my U-Haul, but stay tuned with my organization skills to this. Some of that is not just laundry, but going to donate, organizing, going to my friends this weekend, trying to say goodbye, because I'm going to be leaving in the next month or less. I can't wait. Alright, Sean, it's track 4. Let's go. So nice outside today. I could really go to the beach and go for a swim. What a rainy, gloomy day it is today. So let's have a little fun. Hello, that's not good. The first is I wonder what tent to get. Can't wait to go camping, dude. Can't wait to pick if I want a PlayStation or an Xbox. to make my own banner. Stay tuned to that. Look for some new decorations for my new place when I move. Oh my god, this is so cute. I want this so bad. This is cute. This is so cute. A fiber the flower. Cute little Frenchies. Do mommy, I look like a mess right now. And this hair is gonna get done. Happy Father's Day to our fathers out there. Westbrook is having a carnival at this date. I would like to go, but we'll see. Where I used to live. Hi, Vista. I would go over there and send a town green with a zero, but somebody there. So we're gonna go real quick to the beach and peace out. Really nice homes over here. Nice homes over here. You know, it's civil. She sells by the seashore, she sells by the seashore, she sells. If I said that right. On my way to drop this off. Time to get what I deserve. My favorite. Getting hungry. Give me a snack right now. Bring back a lemon. Give me some Pop Tarts. This flavor.
I'm going to go right there. Let's see if I can make it.
It's been quite a day today with this heat and stuff like that. Went to the beach 2 days ago and definitely enjoyed that in my hometown. Right here in Meriden. Just came out of YMCA. Definitely needed this dump. It definitely felt good to get in this pool and do my good fitness. Next time I'm going to catch it on camera so I can show you guys what things I'm doing for the gym. For myself and to feel good. But, excuse me. So anyway, stay cool from this heat. Can't wait for the rain to help this down a bit. Last year it did not rain at all. And this summer definitely needs the rain. Really needs the rain this summer. But don't mess up my plan. So anyway, I'm here in Meriden today. Other than this heat and all, this is the town I used to live in. So anyway, I'm about to go do a closeout. I'm about to go to end this vlog and I'm going to do a lovely chat in a bit, some point today or into tomorrow. Like I usually do with Keeping Up With Me vlogs. This is a special one. So let me get to my destination and stay tuned for the rest of Keeping Up With Me. They definitely updated the green really, really good since I've left here. Train station, buses. When I lived out here, they never had the town green like this ever. A lot of things definitely changed when I used to live out here. Yes, mama and salmon and bread.
Imagine you're a family of nervous
Yeah,
bread.
buddy.
You discover a talent area on lines as if shield. All up on screens. Rests. Not anymore.
Alright, time to go into the Y and get wet. Look at the bird. Five Below, that's my store. I'm gonna get me that s'mores McFlurry. That is so good. My store, let's kick it. Can't wait to get me that beach mat. No, but these ones are cute. This is cute, but this is not my color. No blue or anything. Butterflies. How cute. Get them. I said sauce, but the seas by the seashores. Must get. Wonder how big this would get when I blow that up. Get. This looks awesome. A glow in the dark boat. What the fuck? Espion pants. That's a nice idea. You need a pair of these new swim shoes, so I don't know if I should get these now or later on. So that's on Amazon. About to bargain this shit now. Must buy. My favorite sky is coming and looking at bananas for my projects. I like this color. Blue is my favorite color. And purple. Pretty. Let me see this. Something for my toes. Or nails for my toes. Hey guys, look at my new guitar. Just kidding. Psych. Cute. This is cute too. Fascinating. Hey, something like this when I was little. Yeah, who told me it was this? Look. I had this when I was young. I'm trying to remember if it was bigger than this. I did have a big joint pencil before. What about you? Create your own song picture. $5. Oh, this $2.25. Which one should I pick? I remember playing this game. It was lots of fun. Wait till back for me. Definitely need this, but is it worth the price here? Oh my god, this is so cute. Tyra. Fascinating. Mermaid cake. Yeah, that's fascinating. Sun catcher fan? That's interesting. I'll remember that for next time. The sea life. I'm gonna slowly bring back this bud. I miss doing these things I used to do when I was young, do the painting and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring back a little bit of a bud. I used to paint and draw and stuff like that. I have my sink. Get this from my fashion I bought. Oh my god, all this here looks so delicious. More flavor to choose. Wow, I do not know what the cost of that. I can imagine that could cost at the big Y. Yeah. Name it for the bread, that looks so good. Long day. Tired. Oh, I can go for like a margarita right now. And soak up in the sun. And get wet. And I want to get in a hot tub. Take a nice hot bubble bath. And feel so good. It just feels so good. I'm not just tired. I didn't barely get sleep for the last 24 hours. Other than just anything in general. I'm fucking over this shit. Oh, feels so good. I really do not mind this heat. I really don't. Because to be honest with you, I'm fucking over the winters, but I love the summertime. Like, who does it? Can't wait to move. My God. Can't wait to be done with this room. Yeah, buddy, that's right. Almost done. Look. I look like a total mess right now. And I can't wait that when I move, I'm going to be becoming a changed person other than anything, other than my new, just like so many things, but I'm going to get pampered and I'm going to come out different than ever. But when I do, I know everybody's going to have questions. Stay tuned. Alright, so anyway, I'm getting hungry. I gotta shower. Gotta get some new shampoo and wash this meal. Oh my god, I definitely need a new color in. Because of the summertime, I wanted to get red done first. Like one more time doing red. Before I become a whole new person. Can't wait for it. So, anyway, I want to let you guys know I'm about to go to do a huge wrap up. Because it's been a long day, long week. It's been a crazy month for even the last 2 months and keeping up with me. And soon we'll be coming out with a new name with keeping up with me, by the way. I usually like doing chats, and lately I'm trying to work on nothing but the best for like sightseeing. I can't believe my hair is a mess. But right now I'm doing the best I can other than just for my lifestyle and everything. But the exact same time, right now, I'm like too tired. I usually would say some different types of stuff and different vibes. Keeping up with me would be like my brain and myself and showing you guys so many lovely things because I'm going to be doing that, but in general. But this time, I'm not. But I have said some things anyway, but I'm not going too far because I gotta have my private life. But I do really want to say is, other than I always say, stay tuned to everything. But my life, I can't wait for things to get better. I can't wait. And be the happiest person and feel good with my freedom and with my freedom of speech and everything and fighting for my life and get what I do deserve because it's happening real soon. And I'm making sure of it. But stay tuned for a part 2 of Keeping Up With Me, JGurl, because I'm going to be doing like a part 1, 2, 3, and 4, some bits and pieces about my life, so a bit more. I was just at the beach like 2 days ago. I'm going to go back there because they're doing fireworks this week, and I'm trying to explore. There's a lot of music things I want to do myself. Where I see myself, I'm 40. Some days I feel like I'm 80, but I don't really, the self-care, motivation, and mental and everything. I take time for myself. But all I gotta say is I want to start traveling the world and start exploring like a travel agent, but different. But I really do have a lot of amazing ideas. I'm going to do it. But right now I'm trying to get my shit together. Going forward, then just running backward about myself or anybody in general. Finances or not, and you're going through shit and just trying to get better or whatever. But soon, I may be going back to school for something I really want to do. And I can't wait. And it could be for you guys. So I can't wait to drop that. Like in the next 2 months from now, it's not going to start right away. But I do really want to say, like, I've been trying to do things for myself since 2008 and for the past decade. And 3 years from now, it will mark 20 years. And I cannot believe it took me forever. And fucking Judy had to do what she had to do in 2008. I can't fucking believe it. But no one's not going to stop me to do something I want to do for myself. And I'm going to do for myself than others because I'm used to being bullied. Well, whatever I'm doing. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my content. Get ready for part 2, 3, and 4 and more. Coming up soon. Don't forget to follow the links in my bio and subscribe to my channel. Peace and love.